welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Tinder account. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Tinder app. As you can see, you can either log in with your Google, Facebook, or you can use a phone number. Here we are going to use the phone number, so click on login with phone number. In this tab, you'll have to add in a phone number in the given slot. Once you're done writing the phone number, click on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Once you receive it, add it to the slot and then click on continue. That was the last step, and then now you have successfully logged in into your Tinder account. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if it did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedback. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.